If you are using Mac computer, then on a special feature is if you press the space bar, then you will see the preview like this. Okay, so for Windows system it's difficult, there is no built-in system like that. So now let's see how we can add this feature on our Windows computer. So I used to work a lot in Mac environment, so this feature is very helpful for me. For Windows, I see there is no feature like that, so there is another software by which we can actually add this feature to our Windows. I'm going to show you that thing. So at first I'm going to jump to our Windows environment, and here if we click and space bar, nothing is coming, right? So I'm going to install on application. We can actually search the application from the browser. The application name is like QuickLook, and from here we can install. But I'm not going to install from here, rather I'm going to install from Microsoft Store. So what we need to do, we just need to click the search icon or Windows menu, and then start typing like with that name of the like Windows app store or something like the window, this one, Microsoft Store. If you click here, it will bring like this type of window. From here we have to type the name. So this is the name for our, our application to start the installation. So right click, copy. I'm going to copy the name, and then I'm going to come here and start searching by typing that name, and then hit the enter key of our keyboard, and very shortly we'll see QuickLook application is there. So here we have to find out what is the application. So here I see this is the application we need to use, and it's completely free. What you need to do, we just need to click this get button. Once we are there, we can click this get button and it will start installation. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will start the installation. So it's showing getting ready, checking dependencies. Basically it is doing all the backend task, and then it will start the installation. We have to wait till it finish downloading everything. And here I see it is started installing, and it will take few seconds, and it's not that much big software. It's 100 megabyte software only. And now see, I see that it is installed. Once it is installed, then we'll see this type of open button. If we click here, it will be opened, and then we can use this software. So I'm going to minimize this thing, and now I'm also going to minimize this thing also. And now here if we click this small arrow, we'll see that application is running. See here, quick look version 4.4.0, this one is running. So that means that application is working properly. If we right click over here, then we'll see it will, and there is option check for updates and some other thing, restart, and to close this window like that. And now I'm going to click here, and then once I select any file, I'm going to press the space bar, and here I will start seeing the preview. So this is the preview. I didn't open the application, and if we press the escape key, it will be gone. So in this way, if we highlight any of the file like this or this, and if we press the space bar, then it will start opening that file. So this is a video file. It is giving us the preview. It's not actually running the video, but it's giving us the preview. Same way, if we click here, this is audio, it is going to give us the preview, and this is text file. If we click here, it's giving us the preview basically, and if we press the escape, it will gone. So this is on image. After selection of this file, if we click or not click, if we press the space bar, it will give us the preview like that. And that's it, using this small software. Basically what is called, the name of the application is QuickLook. We can easily install, and we can check the preview of any file of Windows like Mac.